Hello students, today we are going to start our next lesson of class 5. Let's start chapter number 6, HCF and LCM. So HCF means highest common factor. HCF means highest common factor. HCF is also called GCD. GCD means the greatest common divisor. So, what is mean by HCF? HCF or GCD of the two or the number is the greatest number that divides the number exactly. GCD और HCF means होता है कि two or more number जो greatest number उन्हें completely divide कर सके. Completely means without leaving any remainder. So that number is called as the HCF of number or the GCD of the numbers. So let's start our first question. Okay, finding HCF with the help of multiplication table or by inspection. Okay, we have to use here multiplication table. So find the HCF of 9 and 27 with the help of multiplication table. We find the 9 and 27 only in the multiplication table of 3 and 9. Okay, so 9 and 27 occur only in the table of 3 and 9. And among the 3 and 9, 9 is the greater. So the HCF of the 9 is 9 and 27 is 9. Okay, 9 और 27 का HCF होगा 9. The greatest number by which the both 9 and 27 are divisible is 9. Okay, HCF का means है कि जो greatest number है जिससे 9 और 27 completely divide हो सकते हैं वो number है 9. So find the HCF of 21 and 56 by inspection. By inspection and with the help of multiplication table are the same method. Okay, we find the both 21 and 56 only in the multiplication table of 7. Okay, 21 and 56 occur in only the table of 7. So HCF होगा only 7. So HCF of the 21 and 56 is the 7. So in this way we find the HCF by using multiplication table or by inspection method. Okay, so our next method is by finding factor. Here are the two methods. In first method we grouping the factors and in another method we take the prime factors. Okay, so we start the first method. Find HCF of 12 and 18 by finding factors. Okay, so in this method first we find the factor of 12 and 18. Okay, so start finding factors. So 12 is in a table of 2, so we take the first factor 2. 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 6 are 12. In this way we find the factor 2 6 are 12. Okay, so our next factor is again 2 because 6 is in a table of 2, then we take the 2. We can take the 3 also. Okay, because 6 is also in a table of 3. So we will take either 2 or 3. Okay, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay, so last factor is the 3 because 3 is the prime number. So only 3 occur in the 3 table. Okay, so 3 ones are 3. Okay, so in this way we find the factor of 12. So we find the next 18, factor of 18. Okay, again we will take the 2 as a factor because 18 is in a table of 2. So 2 9s are 18. Okay, 2 9s are 18. So now we find the factor of 9. So 9 is in a table of 3. Then we will take the 3 as a factor. So 3 3s are 9. Again we will get the 3. So 3 is the prime number and our next factor is 3. Okay, so 3 ones are 3. So here we find the factor of 18. So now we have the factor of 12 and factor of 18. Okay, so write here the factor of 12. 2 into 2 into 3 and 18, that is 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, next step is to grouping the factor. Grouping the factor of 12. Here we have to find the group of the factor 12. So first group is the 2 2s are 4. 4 into 3. Next 2 3s are 6. 6 into 2. Okay, so those are the grouping of the factors of the 12. Same for the 18. Grouping the factor of 18. Okay, 18 के भी हमको grouping करना है. So 2 3s are 6. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Okay, 3 3s are 9. 9 into 2 is also is equal to 18. Okay, so in this way we find the group. Okay, so next step is to write the factors. The factor of 12. So 12 के कौन कौन सा फैक्टर है? 1 is the common factor. 1 सबका फैक्टर होता है, कॉमन फैक्टर होता है. Then 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, those are the factor of the 12. Same we find the factors of 18. Again 1 is the common factor. 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Okay, so in this way we write all the factors of 12 and 18. Now we find the common factor. Common factors. So circle out the common factor. So first factor is 1, second factor is 2, then 3, then 6, and though no other common factors are here. Okay, so write the common factor 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, so out of these 4 factors 6 is the greater. So the highest common factor is 6. So in this way the highest common factor is 6. So in this way we find the HCF by using the grouping of the factor method. Okay, so next we find by prime factors. Okay, finding HCF by using prime factorization. So start. Find the HCF of 45 and 30 by prime factorization. Okay, prime factorization हम करके हमको 45 और 30 का HCF फाइंड आउट करना है. सो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 45. ओके, सो लास्ट डिजिट ऑफ 45 is the 5. So and the sum of the digit are 4 plus 5 9. 9 is also divisible 3. So we will take the 3 or 5 as a factor. So first we take the 5. Okay, so 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. Then for 9 we take the 3 as a factor. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Okay, so last factor is 3. That is 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Okay, so next number is the 30. So first we find the factor of 30, that is the 2. We will take 2 3. Okay, 5 also. Okay, so here we take the 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Okay, so 15 is in a table of 5 and 3. So here we take the 3 as a factor. 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. So last is the 5. So 5 ones are 5. Okay, we have the factors of 45 and 30 now. So write the factor of 45 in the form of product. 5 into 3 into 3. Then we write the factor of 30 in the form of product. 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so next step is to circle out the common factor. Next we find the common factor. So common factors of 45 and 30 is equal to, okay, circle out the common factor. So here 3 is the common factor, okay, and 5 is the common factor. So write the common factor, that is 5 comma 3. Then lastly we find the HCF. So HCF पे हम करते हैं कॉमन फैक्टर का प्रोडक्ट फाइंड. ओके, सो कॉमन फैक्टर का प्रोडक्ट है 5 3s are 15. So our HCF is 15. When we use the prime factorization method, so prime factor जो भी common prime factors होते हैं उन common prime factors को हमको प्रोडक्ट फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द प्राइम कॉमन फैक्टर. ओके, सो हियर द prime common factor are 5 and 3. So product of the 5 and 3 is equal to 15. So HCF of 45 and 30 is 15. So 15 is our answer. So in this way we find the HCF by using the multiplication table, by using the by inspection method, by using the grouping method, and last by using the prime factorization method. I hope you all understood how to find the HCF. Thank you.